What is going on? Average Tech Guy back again with more case reviews for that Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This time, we're looking at the Vanguard line of cases by Armadillotek. Let's get protected. So Armadillotek is probably one of the biggest protective cases. Now, there are a lot of protective cases out there, but these guys have some of the most protective. These cases are almost bulletproof. Did I just say that? Yeah, you said it. Oh, almost bulletproof. Nah, I'm just joking. These cases are hard. I mean, these cases are tough. They withstand countless drop tests. They're easy on the eyes. They do it all. So I wanted to try these out because number one, I like the colors. I'm a fan of the colors. Love the colors. Orange being one of my favorite colors. That's why I got this one out. Now, I don't really have to unbox all these. All these are the exact same case. I just wanted to show you the different colors that they have. This is the one that we're going to be working with. This is the orange one. Orange variant. Looks really good. Feels good in the hand. Got a nice honeycomb shape to protect against drops. It's going to have nice cushioning back there. Get your Armadillotek logo there. Nice grips on the side. Let's get the phone in here and see how it functions and what it looks like. Now, there's no screen here. No screen because we got that fingerprint scanner on the front. I'm going to just drop this around the front just like so. Take this, put it down in there. Make sure that it snaps all the way around. Get rid of that. Make sure that we get an enclosure all the way around our phone. And there we go. Everything looks good. Everything matches up. We are a go. We're in the house. First thing you want to do when you get one of these cases is make sure it's not going to break your screen, right? Because you are looking for a nice raised bezel, and the Vanguard gives us a raised edge. Now, it's not that tall, but it's tall enough to offset where the screen is, so your screen will never touch when you put it on a flat surface. Next thing, we're looking for that clicky motion, the ability to just click away and have nothing happen out of the ordinary, and this answers the call. We got clickiness on the buttons, we got grips, we got a kickstand. Now, kickstand, we got portrait, we got landscape. So everything looks good with that kickstand, nice and sturdy. You want to hear that click. Everything down bottom, look at that, check that out at the bottom. Everything matches up. Really easy to get to that S Pen, no problems whatsoever. Precise up top, everything looks good. And you got hard edges, bezel, you got plenty of protection. This is military grade protection. It's not bulletproof, like I said at first. It's not bulletproof. That's just a joke. Don't go out and shoot your phone behind what I said. I'm joking. It's a joke. Okay? But anyway, it's a great case, nice and protective, and it's going to keep that $1,000 device from getting damaged. I would much rather buy this case than have to pay for another phone. So I'm going to drop a link below so you can go and check these out. You can pick them up on Amazon. Remember, Armadillotek, this is the Vanguard series. Go check them out. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. We forgot. Last thing, we always got to do this just to make sure that our wireless charging is on deck and is a go. There we go. Fast wireless charging is on deck, is a go. It gets my stamp of approval. So hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.